Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door bean in an Amana refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door bean. This door bean is located on a fresh food door. It's used for storing produce on the door. The main reason to replace the door bean is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get it apart, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the old door bean, I need to push it up and then we can take it out. Well, if you want to keep this rubber pad, we better remove it from the old bean and we're going to put it in the new one. This is the old door bean next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Right now, I'm going to insert that pad into the new bean and we can install it into the fridge. To install a new door bean, we're going to slide it into the door and press it down. Now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.